In this video, I'm going to explain the nature of audio with 4 different clips of 2 film and 2 TV scenes. The first one we will discuss is The Walking Dead. In this clip, we see a lot of zombies making growling noises, snarling sounds, really establishing the presence of the zombies. And then with the attacks, you get blood spatter, you get sword swipes, to really emphasize the action. Next, and perhaps the greatest Star Wars clip of all time. We have all matter of audio working together. We have Darth Vader's famous breath being our audio cue to initiate the scene, and then the music just goes wild after that, really emphasizing the presence. You have soldiers yelling, you have the soldiers screaming, "Help us," really emphasizing the fear of Darth Vader's arrival, along with all the lightsaber sounds, blaster sounds, and all of the use of the Force. The use of the Force has its own audio cues that are really strong for this clip as well. Really enhances the overall amount of tension and epicness in the scene. In our next broadcast clip, we're going to discuss time, speed, and space, and the best TV show I think to use that is The Flash. The Flash is full of little sound effects to indicate how fast the two are moving. There's always like super quick wispy sounds that really show you how fast they're moving. Reverse Flash additionally vibrates his voice really fast. That kind of indicates, again, through audio noises, that this guy moves faster than the traditional human being. And finally, for our film audio clip, we're going to break down the famous Batman scene with the Penguin. Right when the explosion happens, Batman with the Batmobile emerges out of the fire, and it's a super slowed down, just really bringing the epicness of how of the Batmobile emerging from the fire, which results in the music suddenly becoming very tense with a single note being drawn out, and then of course with the Batman theme song emerging when Batman emerges out of the Batmobile and he's moving super slowly. The music will start out from a slower tempo and slowly build up as he's moving, to really emphasize the slowness of his walk, because you wouldn't want the music super high speed intense while he's walking slow. That wouldn't match. And that is everything I have to say about these 4 clips. Let me know what you think about the 4 audio clips I decided to use, and what are some of your, tell me in the comments what your favorite examples of great audio is in film and television.